So today we're going to get started on section 6.1, which is roots and radical expressions. So I handed out a packet, and I want you to follow along with me as we go through the properties and then some of the examples. So first we want to think, what is an exponent? So you know from before that an exponent is the same thing as a power. So if we have, say, x to the fourth, which is the exponent, x or 4? You should know that it is indeed 4. So because we only have a little bit of time, I'm going to give you a rule and then we're going to do an example. So one property of exponents is that any number raised to the exponent of 0 will give you 1, as long as a is not 0. So if we have 4 to the 0, what will that be? 1. What if we have 10,000 to the 0? Again, this is 1. So one more rule we're going to talk about is when you have a to the m times a to the n. Here, you notice we have the same base of a. So we can put this as a and then add the exponents. So here you have multiplication, and here we have addition. Now imagine we change this to division. We have a to the m over a to the n. If this changes to division, what do you think this could change to? That's right, subtraction. So we have a to the m minus n. So let's do one example of each of these. So if you look at our first example, we have 2a to the third times 5a to the fourth. Now, what we want to do first is combine like terms. If you look at this, if you look at each of the terms, you notice this one has a coefficient as well as this one. So you bring the 2 and the 5 out, and then you bring both terms with variables together. Now, if we notice here, we have 2 a's. What can we do with the exponents? That's right, we add them. So then we have a to the 7th. Our final answer is 10a to the 7th. So let's look at example 5. We have 4a to the 8th over 2a to the 4th. Now if it helps you, you can again separate the coefficient and the variable, whatever works for you. So if we bring them separately, we have 4 over 2, and then a to the 8th over a to the 4th. Now we know 4 over 2 simplifies to 2, and using this rule here, this should be a to the 8 minus 4. And we know 8 minus 4 is 4. And this gives us a final answer of 2a to the 4th. Now check Veracross for homework, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.